Today, I will take you through one of the latest features new to Midjourney, the Zoom Out feature, and its application to architectural scenes. As the name suggests, it lets you infinitely zoom out of an image, maintaining a seamless connection to the previous image. You may have already seen some abstract and fantasy animations of images transforming into strange worlds appearing out of windows. In relation to architectural cities, there's another opportunity to create compelling stories like the one playing now. You can focus in on one composition or very subtle elements, which I'll show you, such as the seasons playing here. At the end of the video, I will show you some other architectural examples. These animations all work around these simple buttons where you can customize the zoom amount between ×1 and ×2, whereby you can keep the same prompt or adapt it into a different scene. If you go over to the Midjourney website, and you can see documentation on this zoom feature and other new features. If you go over to Midjourney, I can show you basically how this is done. So over here, you could just start creating your own base image in the standard way. You could begin with a close-up detail image, and then begin your scenes like this, or you could start with a standard wide-angle first-person camera. Just be sure to use version 5.2 by either changing it in the settings or adding --v5.2 in the prompt. Once the image is generated, you will have 4 new buttons underneath. You can keep the prompts the same and simply zoom out by 2 or 1.5 by pressing these first buttons. As expected, it just zooms out by 2 or 1.5 and gives you 4 options to pick from, which you can upscale with the buttons labeled U1 to 4. The custom zoom is very useful, as you can adjust your prompt. For example, you can change the scene or lighting, for example, and make a more specific zoom factor between 1 and 2 by typing -- and then a scale factor. And it's as simple as that. You can keep generating images, zooming out, and adjusting the prompts as many times as you like. If you click on the upscaled images, you can click Open in Web and see a full res image. And you can just save that into a folder. Alternatively, you can open your Midjourney homepage on the web browser, and you can access all your generated images from there and download the zip. With all these scenes saved out, you can use them as stills and create animations by stitching them together in video editing software such as After Effects. This can be done with as many scenes as you like, and you should play around with the various interesting starting points. In the future, it will be very exciting if we have a ControlNet style algorithm to help define and control these animations even more. I will just end here with a few examples of the type of animations you can create, and I hope you enjoyed.